In the ever-evolving landscape of wireless connectivity, the best PCIe Wi-Fi card of 2024 stands out as a beacon of cutting-edge technology and exceptional performance. As the demand for high-speed, reliable internet continues to surge, this PCIe Wi-Fi card takes center stage with its advanced features and innovative design. Boasting lightning-fast data transfer rates and superior connectivity, it caters to the needs of both gamers and professionals who require seamless online experiences. Equipped with the latest PCIe interface, this Wi-Fi card ensures optimal compatibility and efficiency, effortlessly transforming your desktop into a powerhouse of wireless connectivity. Whether you're engaged in intense gaming sessions or demanding professional tasks, this card delivers unparalleled speed and stability. Stay at the forefront of technological advancements and elevate your wireless experience with the best PCIe Wi-Fi card of 2024, a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence in the realm of network connectivity. TP-Link AX3000. The TP-Link AX3000 is a Wi-Fi 6 powerhouse that redefines your internet experience with blazing speeds, ultra-low latency, and unparalleled connectivity. Priced at just $59.99, this PCIe Wi-Fi card harnesses the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology powered by Intel, ensuring next-level entertainment in even the busiest networks. With speeds reaching up to 2.4 gigabits per second, 2,402 megabits per second on 5 GHz or 574 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz. The Archer DX3000E is tailored for optimal performance on Windows 11 and 10, 64-bit. Its revolutionary Optima technology minimizes lag, delivering ultra-responsive real-time gaming and immersive VR experiences. The card also boasts two multi-directional antennas with a magnetized base for broader coverage, allowing you to position them strategically for optimal signal reception. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.2 technology, the Archer DX3000E achieves 2x faster speeds and 4x broader coverage than Bluetooth 4.2. Connect an array of devices, from game controllers to headphones, for the ultimate setup. To ensure seamless installation, visit the TP-Link homepage for driver downloads if you lack a CD-ROM drive. Enhance your desktop connectivity with the TP-Link AX3000, where speed, reliability, and versatility converge at an affordable price point. Gigabyte GC-WBAX210. In the dynamic realm of high-performance computing, Gigabyte's GC-WBAX210 emerges as a game-changer, providing users with cutting-edge connectivity features at an affordable price of $47. Packed with advanced technology, this PCIe x 1 interface card is equipped with the Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX210 module, offering unparalleled wireless capabilities. One of the standout features of the GC-WBAX210 is its dedicated spectrum in the 6 GHz band, ensuring maximum speed and ultra-low latencies. This means users can experience lightning-fast data transfer rates and seamless connectivity, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and demanding tasks. The support for dual-stream wireless across the 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands further enhances flexibility and compatibility. Compliance with IEEE 802.11 CR2+X standards positions the GC-WBAX210 as a future-proof solution, ready to meet the demands of evolving wireless technologies. With a high-speed wireless connection of up to 2,400 megabits per second, users can enjoy lag-free online experiences and efficient data transfers. The inclusion of Bluetooth 5.2 ensures versatile connectivity options, making the GC-WBAX210 a versatile choice for a wide range of devices. The MIMO TX and RX technology enhances multi-device performance, enabling simultaneous data transmission and reception for improved efficiency. Paired with the Aris high-performance 2T/2R antenna, the GC-WBAX210 ensures optimal signal strength and coverage. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or professional requiring a reliable and high-speed network connection, Gigabyte's GC-WBAX210 sets a new standard for PCIe Wi-Fi cards, combining affordability with cutting-edge technology. Asus PCE-AXE59BT. The Asus PCE-AXE59BT is a game-changer in the world of wireless connectivity, offering a total solution for Wi-Fi 6E enthusiasts. Priced at just $79, this cutting-edge PCIe adapter introduces an array of features that redefine the wireless experience. One of the standout features is the introduction of the all-new 6 GHz band. This innovation results in significantly less congestion and interference for Wi-Fi connections, ensuring smoother and more reliable performance. With the latest Bluetooth 5.2 technology, users can enjoy improved signal range, faster transmit speeds, and reduced interference for seamless connectivity across devices. The ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E capabilities of the PCE-AXE59BT provide speeds that are 4.6 times faster than previous generations. This translates to improved connection efficiency and enhanced network security, meeting the demands of modern internet usage. To further optimize reception, the PCE-AXE59BT comes equipped with external antennas, reducing dead zones and providing a more consistent connection. The freestanding transceiver and connecting cable enable users to position the antennas for the best reception, ensuring an optimal wireless experience. In conclusion, the Asus PCE-AXE59BT offers a comprehensive and high-performance solution for those seeking the next level of Wi-Fi connectivity. TP-Link AC1200. The TP-Link AC1200 emerges as a budget-friendly yet high-performance solution for those seeking to enhance their desktop connectivity. Priced at just $40, this PCIe adapter offers super-fast speeds, making full use of your network with AC1200 Wi-Fi speeds. 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or handling data-intensive tasks, the AC1200 ensures a seamless online experience. Bluetooth 4.2 technology takes connectivity to the next level, providing 2.5 times faster speed and 10 times more packet capacity than Bluetooth 4.0. This feature is invaluable for users who rely on wireless peripherals or transfer large files between devices. The broad wireless range of the AC1200 is achieved through 2 external high-gain antennas, ensuring greater range and enhanced stability. This means you can connect to your Wi-Fi from further away, reducing dead zones and improving overall coverage. Installation is a breeze with the AC1200. Plug the adapter into an available PCIe slot, and you're ready to upgrade your desktop's connectivity. The package includes both standard and low-profile brackets for added versatility. Windows compatibility is comprehensive, supporting Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, and 7 in both 32-bit and 64-bit versions. Additionally, to unlock the Bluetooth function, connect the Bluetooth USB cable to an available F_USB connector, adding an extra layer of convenience to this feature-rich adapter. In conclusion, the TP-Link AC1200 stands out as an affordable yet powerful solution for users looking to boost their desktop's Wi-Fi performance and Bluetooth capabilities. Ubit AX210S. The Ubit AX210S Wi-Fi card, priced at an attractive $30, is a powerhouse that caters to diverse connectivity needs with its 3 bands, delivering a total speed of up to 5,400 megabits per second. Whether you're utilizing the 5, 2.4, or the latest 6, this card ensures optimal performance and meets the demands of various applications. The introduction of the 6 GHz band is a game-changer, addressing Wi-Fi spectrum shortages and providing contiguous spectrum blocks for enhanced bandwidth. This is particularly crucial for high-bandwidth applications such as high-definition video streaming and virtual reality, where faster data throughput is imperative. The 6 GHz Wi-Fi not only offers new airwaves but does so without the need for overlapping signals, allowing for up to 7 maximum capacity Wi-Fi streams to be broadcast simultaneously without interference. The Ubit AX210S takes connectivity to the next level with the revolutionary OFDMA, minimizing lag for your PC. This technology ensures ultra-responsive real-time gaming and an immersive VR experience, enhancing the overall user experience. In addition to its Wi-Fi capabilities, the AX210S comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.2 technology, achieving 2 times faster speeds and 4 times broader coverage than Bluetooth 4.2. This enables seamless connections for a variety of devices, including game controllers, headphones, and keyboards, making it the ultimate setup for enthusiasts. In conclusion, the Ubit AX210S Wi-Fi card stands out as a cost-effective yet feature-rich solution, offering cutting-edge connectivity with its 3 bands, 6 GHz capability, and advanced technologies like OFDMA and Bluetooth 5.2. Cudy AX5400. The Cudy AX5400 is a feature-packed Wi-Fi 6E PCIe card that brings enhanced speed and clarity to your wireless network. And with a price tag of just $36, it's an affordable upgrade for users seeking top-notch connectivity. Equipped with the AX5400 Wi-Fi 6E module, this PCIe card delivers exceptional performance, fully unlocking the potential of your Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E router. With maximum speeds of 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and 2,402 megabits per second on the 5 and 6 GHz bands, it's ideal for gaming and 4K streaming. The card is also fully compatible with 802.11 A, B, G, and routers, ensuring versatility in connectivity. The inclusion of Bluetooth 5.2 technology adds another layer of functionality, achieving 2 times faster speed and 4 times broader coverage than Bluetooth 4.2. It's not only cutting-edge but also backward compatible with Bluetooth 4.0, ensuring seamless connections with a wide range of devices. Security is a priority with the Cudy AX5400, featuring WPA3 advanced security for more secure and individualized encryption, safeguarding your network against wireless hacking. The card's advanced features contribute to a faster, smoother, and broader Wi-Fi experience. With 1024 QAM and 160 MHz bandwidth, it delivers a powerful and continuous Wi-Fi signal, achieving speeds 3 times faster than standard AC Wi-Fi. OFDMA technology further reduces lag by up to 75%, ensuring ultra-responsive real-time gaming and a smoother overall experience. The package includes all necessary accessories, such as the WE3000S with a standard profile, 2 5 decibels high-gain antennas, a low-profile bracket, Bluetooth header cable, a quick installation guide, and resource CD drivers. The AX5400 is compatible with Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit, and works seamlessly with Wi-Fi 6, 5, and Wi-Fi 4 routers and extenders. In conclusion, the Cudy AX5400 is a cost-effective solution for users looking to upgrade their Wi-Fi experience.